Hey there, it's Roland at You Can Tube. Today I want to talk about Camtasia video editing software. Yesterday I did a video about the tools that I use for my YouTube for making videos. And video editing software is one of those, and I use Camtasia video editing software. Now I know there are some free versions out there that you can use. One is called Power Direct. I know a few people that use that. I don't know how to use it. I've never had it. I might upload or download the app for that from my phone. I just realized and learned that there is an app for your phone for Power Direct. I just want to try it. I don't know if I'll use it or keep it, but I'm thinking about trying it anyway. But since November 2019, I've been making videos and I've always used Camtasia video editing software. And I really enjoy it. It's simple to use. I learned how to use the Camtasia video editing software from a pair of friends that live in British Columbia. They have a mini course on how to use the Camtasia video editing software, and I'm just loving the tutorials they put out. It's simple, it's easy. The video editing software is so easy to use. So that's all I've ever used, and I'm going to take you over there and show you how to get it. First of all, down in the description below this video, I will put a link to Camtasia. So you can go to their page and you can check out and learn everything you need to know about the video editing software that they have at Camtasia. That way you can make a decision for yourselves if you want it or not. But this is the video I put out yesterday, and I'll show you where you can find that link. I clicked on that thumbnail, my video opened it up here. And if you go down here where it says show more, you see where it says the channel name, go right here where it says show more. Click on that and this description box opens up. And if you come down here to Camtasia video editing software, you'll find it right here. You click on that. I already have it open. Oh, wrong page. I already have it open. It'll bring you to a company called TechSmith. And Camtasia is one of TechSmith's products. So if you go here where it says, you can read this and watch the video, go here where it says the view to products. It'll show you the various products they have. They got Snagit, Camtasia, and you can get a bundle of these two together. Then there's other ones here. I have no clue what they are, so I don't really want to talk about that because I don't think I need that. You don't even need Snagit really. But Camtasia is right here. It's Camtasia screen recorder and video editor. I'm doing a screen capture or screen recorder right now. So this is what you have. You have my face in the corner over here where you can see me talking. You can have that on or off. You can add a mic. You don't have to use the mic or the camera on your laptop. I have a plug-in mic, USB mic. Much better quality sound. But as you can see here, it has a price to it, right? That's $331 Canadian a year. And US would be a lot cheaper than that. If you want to make quality videos and you want to do it easily and simple, and not spend all day editing videos, Camtasia is for you. It works for me. I love it. To me, $330 for the year is not a big deal. I mean, for what I'm using it for, I make videos practically every other day. To me, it's worth it. So I don't mind using or paying that price. You can come down here where it says learn more. Click on that. It'll bring you to this page where you can learn more about the Camtasia screen recorder and video editor. You can watch this video and just scroll down. Get educated on what it is that you might want to buy. I think they have a free trial too. See, download the free trial. You can try it for a little while. And if you don't like it, don't get it. So here you go. You can record your screen like I'm doing now. But the main thing is, this is where I do all my editing. I can do all sorts of things. Like I can upload files from my computer. I can get music off of YouTube and put it in my editor and use it. I can chop it up any way I want. I can add different features like transitions, animations. You can zoom in, zoom out, you name it. You can, once you learn how to do all these things, you can add all these into your video and boost the quality of your video. So we'll go back here. Remember, just come down here in the description box of any of my videos and you'll find that link here under Camtasia Video Editing Software. Now if you want to learn how to use this video editing software easily, you just come to the next link where it says Creative Business Academy and you'll click on this link. This is a friend's website, Jewel and Orit. They're from BC, Canada. These girls know their stuff. They're very knowledgeable on all this Camtasia, anything to do with YouTube. They know their stuff. They're very honest and very easy to learn from. And if you come here and look under here, the complete Camtasia course for content creators, Jewel has probably, I don't know, almost 100 videos in here teaching you everything you need to know about Camtasia. For $19, you can learn all this. Like, I mean, that's cheap. And then if you're interested, you can get into this here too, the Master YouTube SEO. You can learn everything about SEO for your YouTube videos, how to rank your YouTube videos, like titling and the description, adding the best keywords you can to your YouTube videos so that they last a long, long time on YouTube and they are found by search. And you could even learn more about YouTube here, how to start a YouTube channel. That's another course they have provided at the moment. I forgot to tell you there's going to be a part 2 to this video. I'm going to take you inside the Camtasia video editing software, give you a quick rundown, and show you all the features that it provides. So I just wanted to give a quick explanation about the Camtasia video editing software, screen recorder, just to give you guys an idea what's out there, what I think is so simple to use and will help you make quality videos, make your life easier. And that's what it's all about. You don't want to have a struggle. You want video editing to be fun. A lot of people don't like video editing. I enjoy every bit of it. I think it's a blast. I love creating videos and then seeing the finished product. So I hope this video helps you. If it did, leave me a comment below and hit that like button. And please don't forget to subscribe if you're not subscribed, and you can hit the notification bell beside the subscribe button so that you know when I have another video coming out. With that, I'll say have a great day and we'll see you on the next video.